Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back once again to Easy English Explanation by Pooja Joshi. So thank you all for your comments. You should give your valuable comments as they are very dear and valuable for me. So today we are going to start with lesson number 5, the 100 dresses part 1. The 100 dresses, this is the story which is divided into 2 chapter units and lessons 5 and 6 numbers. So we are dealing with right now only 5th chapter. This is the 100 dresses part 1. ये 100 dresses part 1 lesson number 5 हम डील कर रहे हैं डिफरेंट वीडियोस में. 4-5 वीडियोस बनेंगे इसके और उसके बाद ही हम चैप्टर नंबर 6 द 100 ड्रेसेस पार्ट 2 पे जाएंगे क्योंकि ये दोनों कंबाइन करके एक स्टोरी है. These two combined lessons make and form one beautiful heart-touching story. So now let me start the 4th video related to this chapter number 5. For previous videos you have to see my videos which are already posted on the YouTube as usual, and I will tell you the summary in short. I will tell you that what's this lesson about in short here, as well as then we will have word to word, line to line explanation. So before you saw that Wanda Petronsky had strange name. She was different from other girls and she was being teased by other girls and boys of the school, and mainly Peggy and her closest friend, Peggy's closest friend Maddie. The reason was, one was obvious, that she had a different kind of name and especially the surname Petronsky. She belonged to she was an American Polish girl and she was studying in American school with other children. And the second reason was that whenever she was asked that how many dresses, how many shoes, how many hats she had, for the dresses she always replied the number 100. And she gave the number much more than she would really have, because also she was wearing only a single blue color faded dress. And whenever she was asked by anybody, she would say a quite big number, multiple times number than she actually had. उसके पास एक ही ड्रेस थी मैडी के पास जो वो हमेशा पहनती थी, ब्लू कलर की फेडेड ड्रेस थी. पर जब भी उससे पूछा जाता था उसका मजाक उड़ाने के लिए, तब वो हमेशा ऐसा बताती थी कि उसके पास 100 ड्रेस है. ड्रेसेस के बारे में वो 100 बताती थी और शूज़ वगैरह के बारे में अलग अलग नंबर. पर जो उसके पास नहीं थे, क्योंकि ये सबको पता था, क्योंकि वो एक ही कलर का रोज़ एक ही ड्रेस पहन के स्कूल में आती थी, तो इसलिए सब उसका मजाक उड़ाते थे. और दूसरा कारण ये था कि उसका सरनेम और उसका नेम थोड़ा स्ट्रेंज था. वो अमेरिकन पॉलिश गर्ल थी और जिसका सरनेम पेट्रॉन्स्की था. तो लेट्स सी हियर दैट व्हाट हैपन्स हियर अहेड व्हेन मैडी starts to feel bad. She feels that she herself is not rich. So if one day all start teasing her, even like Wanda, then she was imagining things like that. Let's see what happens ahead. Let me first read out the lesson for you. Read out few lines for you. So see here. She worked her arithmetic problems absent-mindedly. 8 times 8. Let's see. She wished she had the nerve to write to Peggy a note, because she knew she never would have the courage to speak right out to Peggy to say, "Hey Peg, let's stop asking Wanda how many dresses she has." Here Peggy, she thinks that she should have the courage. She should have the nerve to mean she should have the courage to tell Peggy that they should not make fun of Wanda, because deep inside her heart she was feeling that she herself was poor and she may have the chance to made fun by others. कभी उसका भी मजाक उड़ सकता है, हो सकता है कि अगला नंबर उसका हो क्योंकि वो भी गरीब है, तो मैडी भी गरीब है, पर वेंडा पेट्रॉन्स की जितनी नहीं शायद, पर फिर भी वो गरीब तो थी, तो हो सकता है कि उसका भी मजाक उड़ाएं कभी स्टूडेंट्स, तब उसको बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. तो ये सोच के वो पैगी से कहना चाहती थी कि अब हम उसका मजाक नहीं उड़ाएंगे। उसके पास ऐसा हिम्मत नहीं थी कि वह कह सके पैगी से कि अब उसे पूछना हम बंद कर देते हैं कि वैंडा पेट्रोंस्की के पास कितने ड्रेसेस हैं। When she finished her arithmetic, she did start a note to Peggy. Suddenly she paused and shuddered. She pictured herself in the schoolyard, a new target for Peggy and the girls. Peggy might ask her where she got the dress that she had on, and Maddie would have to say that it was one of Peggy's old ones that Maddie's mother had tried to disguise with. So here what happens? Shuddered. First see the meaning. Let's see the meaning of shuddered. Shuddered means shook or tremble, compulsively tremble with fear. She shuddered on the idea that she would be the next whose fun will be made. And disguise. Disguise means to change the appearance. Change appearance so that that person looks somebody else. To change the appearance. Besh badalna. Now let's see the meaning here. When she's finished her maths, then she started to write a note to Peggy to ask her not to make fun of Wanda anymore now. But she stopped. She thought, she just feared and she trembled. She shuddered. Means she trembled. Then she pictured that she saw, he imagined herself that she is standing, Maddie is standing herself in the schoolyard and all are making fun of her. And Peggy is asking to her that how many dresses she has, and the dress which she had put on was whose dress. Actually that dresses Maddie used to wear Peggy's dresses most of the times maybe, which Maddie's mother had changed little bit and then made to look new with some extra trimmings. Trimmings means extra some cuttings and laces and all. Okay, let's see ahead. यहाँ पे पैगी ने सोचा कि वह एक नोट लिख दे उसके मैथ्स का काम फिनिश होने के बाद। उसने सोचा पैगी को एक नोट लिख दे कि अब से हम वैंडा पेट्रोंस्की को चिढ़ाएंगे नहीं, उसका मजाक नहीं उड़ाएंगे। पर वह लिखते लिखते एकदम कांप गई और वो रुक गई। उसे लगा, ऐसा उसने देखना चालू किया, खुली आंखों से सपना देखना चालू किया। उसे ऐसा लगा कि वही स्कूल के आंगन में खड़ी है, यार्ड में खड़ी है और वहाँ पे उसे पैगी ये पूछ रही है कि जो ड्रेस मैडी ने पहनी है, जो ड्रेस उसने पहनी है, वह ड्रेस किसकी है। तो मैडी को ये कहना पड़ता कि वह पैगी की ही पुराने कपड़ों में से है जो मैडी के मदर ने उसके लिए थोड़ा चेंज करके बना दी है। उसमें एक्स्ट्रा पट्टियाँ डोरियाँ लगा के उसे अलग सी तरह के का लुक दिया है और वो उसके लिए अलग सी ड्रेस बना दी है। तो लेट्स सी अहेड विथ न्यू ट्रिमिंग सो नो वन इन रूम 13 वुड रिकॉग्नाइज इट, ताकि उसकी क्लासरूम में सब ये ना पहचान सके कि ये ड्रेस तो पैगी की है जो मैडी ने पहनी हुई है। उसकी वजह से मैडी की मदर ने उस ड्रेस का थोड़ा लुक चेंज कर दिया, उसे डिस्गाइज कर दिया एक्स्ट्रा ट्रिमिंग्स के साथ। ट्रिमिंग्स मीन्स here cuttings into small laces or pieces, some dori type. So let's see ahead. If only Peggy would decide of her own accord to stop having fun with Wanda. Oh well, Maddie ran her hand through her short blonde hair as though to push the uncomfortable thoughts away. What difference did it make? Slowly, Maddie tore into bits the note she had started. She was Peggy's best friend, and Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole room. Peggy could not possibly do anything that was really wrong, she thought. Let's see the word meaning here. Yes, accord. Accord means her own will. Ichha. Then blonde. Blonde means sunehre, beautiful golden. Sunehre golden baal. Then tore into bits. Tore into bits means small pieces. Tore into very small pieces. Okay, let's see the word meanings here as well as the meaning of the lines. Peggy thought that she will decide of her own. Peggy, if she would have decided on her own to stop having fun with Wanda, then what will happen? Maddie thought that Peggy will herself, she may decide that she will not make fun of Wanda anymore now. And while thinking this, she was very happy and she just ran her hand. She put her hand into her hair, and what her hair was type? Maddie had short hair which were very golden and which were of gold color, and they were very beautiful. And she wanted to put the uncomfortable thoughts away out of her mind, and as if she is taking the thoughts out of mind, she ran her hand into her hair. And what difference did it make? Then Maddie just changed her thoughts and she tore the note which she had written to Peggy to stop having fun with Wanda. So she tore that note which she had written into small bits. She knew that she was Peggy's best friend, and she knew that Peggy was the best, liked, very famous and popular girl in the whole room. Then Peggy could not do anything wrong, she thought. यहाँ पे मैडी ये सोचती है कि हो सकता है कि पैगी अपने आप ही उसका मजाक उड़ाना बंद कर दे, अपनी इच्छा से, अपने अकॉर्ड, यानी अपनी इच्छा अपनी मर्ज़ी से मजाक उड़ाना बंद कर दे। ये सब सोचते हुए मैडी के बार बार विचार बदलते हैं। अपने नेगेटिव, अपने अनकंफर्टेबल विचारों को झटकने के लिए अपने गोल्डन सुनहरे बालों में, छोटे बालों में हाथ घुमाती है ताकि उसके अनकंफर्टेबल थॉट्स निकल जाएं दिमाग में से। क्या डिफरेंस पड़ता, क्या फ़र्क पड़ सकता है? मैडी ने छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में जो नोट उसने पैगी के लिए लिखा था उसे छोटे छोटे टुकड़े करके उसे फाड़ दिया, क्योंकि उसे पता था कि मैडी की बेस्ट फ्रेंड है पैगी, और पैगी पूरे स्कूल में नहीं, पूरे क्लास में, हर जगह वो बहुत ही फेमस थी, सबको बहुत पसंद थी और उसकी ख़ास दोस्त भी थी। तो उसे पता था कि मेरी ख़ास दोस्त कभी ऐसा नहीं कर सकती है कि वह किसी को नुकसान पहुंचाए या कुछ गलत काम करे। ऐसा तो मेरी ख़ास दोस्त कर ही नहीं सकती, उसने ऐसे सोचा। तो उसने जो नोट लिख के देने का विचार था, वो उसका विचार उसने बदल दिया और उस नोट को फाड़ दिया। As for Wanda, she was just some girl who lived up on Boggins Heights and stood alone in the schoolyard. She scarcely ever said anything to anybody. The only time she talked was in the schoolyard about her 100 dresses. Maddie remembered her telling about one of her dresses, pale blue with colored trimmings. And she remembered another that was brilliant jungle green with a red sash. You would look like a Christmas tree, in that, the girls had said in pretended admiration. Let's see the word meanings here. Bogginside, that is a place where Wanda and the other poor people were living, a poor locality. Scarcely means hardly, very rarely. Then trimmings, thin small cuttings. Pale is not bright. Red sash means very bright colors. Sash here is a cloth which is worn over thin loop or thin cloth loop which is worn over the shoulders or around the waist. Worn around shoulders. Sash I'll write down the meaning for you and other vocabulary also. Here I'll just tell you. For sash the meaning is yes, see here, sash means cloth worn over shoulders with dress, or it is worn around the waist. जो कमर बंद या कमर पट्टे की तरह पहना गया हो, या तो कंधे पे पतली पट्टी कोई रखी गई हो कपड़े की, उसे सैश कहते हैं. लेट्स सी हियर. ओके. You would look like a Christmas tree in that, the girls had said in pretended admiration. Pretended means a fake. It is not real. They are admiring her. They are praising. But that praise was not real. Let's see the word meaning and the paragraph meaning. Now. Vanda was a girl who was just alone, who lived in a poor locality named Boggins Heights, and she did not say anything to anybody. She hardly said. The only time when she talked was about her 100 dresses. Maddie remembered her telling about one of her dresses, which was pale blue. Maddie remembered that Vanda was telling about one of her dresses, and her dress was pale blue and it had different colored trimmings in that. Trimmings means small strips or loops of cloth. And then she had another dress which was brilliant jungle green, very bright jungle green color with a red dupatta, or you can say one cloth of, or one loop which is hanging over the shoulders or around the waist, as we Indians like we are wearing dupatta. Then the other girls were praising her, but the praise was not real. And they told her that she would look like a Christmas tree. When she would have worn that dress, she would look like a Christmas tree. यहाँ पे वैंडा क्या कहती है? मैडी क्या कहती है कि वह बोगिन साइड पर रहने वाली एक लड़की है. वैंडा जो पुअर लोकेलिटी में रहती है, जो अकेली स्कूल आती जाती है, कभी भी मुश्किल से कुछ बोलती है या किसी से कुछ नहीं बोलती है. वो जब बात करती है तो अपने 100 ड्रेसेस के बारे में ही बात करती है स्कूल के आंगन में. मैडी ये भी कर रही थी कि उसने वैंडा ने अपने एक ड्रेस के बारे में बताया था कि मेरे पास एक पेल डल ब्लू कलर का ड्रेस है जिसमें डिफरेंट कलर के ट्रिमिंग्स है, कटिंग्स लगे हुए हैं. और उसने ये भी एक और ड्रेस के बारे में भी बताया था कि जिसका एकदम बहुत ही डार्क ग्रीन जंगल ग्रीन कलर था, एकदम ब्राइट, और जिस पे एक रेड कलर का दुपट्टे जैसा था, मतलब सैश था. और सब लड़कियां उसे प्रशंसा करती हैं, पर ये प्रशंसा झूठी होती है कि इस तरह के ड्रेस में वो क्रिसमस ट्री की तरह लगेगी. ऐसा सब बोलती हैं लड़कियां उसकी प्रशंसा करती हैं वैंडा की, पर यह सब उसका मजाक उड़ाने के लिए होता है. वह सच में उसकी प्रशंसा नहीं करती. विद दिस वी एंड this video, fourth video of the related lesson. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, do promise me to take very good care of yourself. बाय बाय. फॉर द टाइम बिंग आप बहुत अच्छे से ख्याल रखना, बार बार हाथ धोना, और जल्दी मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय. सी यू.